Hi, welcome to our showroom. So this is our panel light, all types of panel light. And probably you might be wondering, what's any special inside of your panel and what's your differences to other? I would say that right now in the panel light business, especially the LED flat panel light comes to an extremely price competitive market. There will be three quality hazards that happen into the panels. First of all is the yellowish problem. This happens because of the light guide plate getting yellowish, affected by the UV, which will happen after 1 year or two. And this will be the LED failure. When you come across one LED failure, this is a very easy to cause customer complaint. And the third one, if you notice into the corner, that will be the blue light coming out from this. And why and how this happened? And do we have a perfect solution to solve this problem? Yes, of course. We've been into this industry for more than 8 years for LED HD panel. So as you can see here, this is to demo that the yellowish problem. Actually, in our laboratory, we do have our anti-UV test, and also we do have a light guide plate test to test the UV resistant rate. And this is another one that we have to prevent the LED failure. As you can see, this is LED stripped. One LED is already failed. And also in this luminaire, this is 1x4 luminaire, which inside is already one LED failure. But you can hardly notice because in our PCB design, we especially have some prevention to prevent even one LED fail. It doesn't affect the other performances. Others I would like to show you in our laboratory to explain you more details. And here, as you can see, we have a different kinds of LED flat panel light. And of course, we do have some decorative panel light as well. As you can see, this is like a circular shape. And this is light you can put into any field with like a blue sky. And when it comes to here, this is another suspended luminaire with up and down light. And also, it's transparent. And this is another linear light. We call the blade. Actually, it's giving vertical light and also horizontal light, which you can just imagine that you can install that onto the supermarket. Well, when you come across this, come over here. This is another series of luminaire, a bit decorative, but we're also using a light guide plate to make it like a suspension decorative luminaire, and it can be also wall mounted. When you come across this corner, this is another retrofit panel that we have, which you can, in the US market, you can just take out their LED flat panel, the chauffeur, and use our flat panel to do a simple retrofit.